4 warning signs you're eating too much. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are called a superfood, but too much can wreck your gut, spike your blood sugar, and even send you to the ER. Most people never see it coming until their body starts screaming for help. Chia seeds are tiny, powerful, and loaded with nutrients. They can help with weight loss, heart health, and energy. But there's a razor-thin line between healthy and harmful. The problem? Most people don't know where that line is and cross it without realizing, putting their health at risk. So today, I'll walk you through 4 warning signs you're eating too much chia seeds, why they happen, and what to do about it. Why chia seeds? Backfire. With chia seeds, the main issue is that they absorb up to 12 times their weight in water. That makes them great for keeping you full, but it also means they expand in your stomach, which can cause some serious problems if you're not careful. It's not just about quantity, it's also about how you eat them. Eating dry chia seeds, pairing them with the wrong foods, or skipping water can turn this little seed into a big problem. Before we jump in, if you want to avoid hidden mistakes like this, hit subscribe. I share simple, science-backed tips you can start using today. Warning. Sign number 1, digestive issues. You can't ignore. If you're feeling bloated, gassy, or even constipated after adding chia seeds, you're probably overdoing it. Here's why. Chia seeds are packed with soluble fiber. Just 1 ounce, about 2 tablespoons, contains 10 to 11 grams of fiber, nearly half your daily needs. Now, fiber is great for digestion, but too much, too fast? That's a recipe for trouble. Your gut bacteria suddenly get a flood of fiber they're not used to, which can lead to excessive gas and uncomfortable bloating. And because chia seeds soak up so much water, eating them dry or not drinking enough fluids can cause them to swell inside your stomach and intestines, slowing things down, sometimes to a complete stop. I once heard from someone who started putting 4 to 5 tablespoons of chia seeds in their smoothies every morning. Within a week, they felt like they were carrying a balloon in their belly, all because their gut wasn't ready for that much fiber. What to do instead? Start small. 1 tablespoon a day, and always soak them first in water or plant-based milk for at least 20 minutes. This pre-expansion makes them easier for your body to digest. Warning sign number 2, blood sugar spikes or drops. You've probably heard chia seeds can help stabilize blood sugar. And that's true, in the right amount. Here's the twist. Too many can backfire, especially if you have diabetes or insulin resistance. Here's why. While fiber slows down the release of sugar into your bloodstream, overdoing it can cause digestion to slow too much. This creates unpredictable spikes and drops in blood sugar, leaving you feeling shaky, weak, or unusually tired. And if you mix a huge serving of chia seeds with sugary foods like sweetened yogurt or honey, you're giving your body a double challenge. Too much sugar and too much fiber competing in your digestive system. A friend with type 2 diabetes started adding chia pudding made with 6 tablespoons of seeds every night. At first, her morning blood sugar improved. But by week 3, she had random crashes during the day because her digestion was slowing down too much. What to do instead? Keep chia servings to 2 tablespoons or less and pair them with protein and healthy fats, like almond butter or unsweetened Greek yogurt, for steady energy. The next warning isn't about your stomach, it's about something much scarier. Warning, sign number 3, trouble swallowing or a stuck. Feeling in the throat. This is the scariest risk of eating chia seeds the wrong way. If you eat them dry and then drink water, they can start swelling in your throat before they even reach your stomach, creating a choking hazard. Doctors have reported cases where chia seeds formed a gel-like blockage in the esophagus. This is especially dangerous for people with swallowing issues or acid reflux. In one medical case, a man with mild swallowing problems took a spoonful of dry chia seeds and chased it with water. The seeds absorbed the liquid instantly, expanded, and got lodged in his throat, requiring emergency removal. What to do instead? Never eat dry chia seeds. Always soak them in liquid first, or mix them into foods that contain plenty of moisture. Warning sign number 4. Nutrient absorption problems. Chia seeds are rich in phytic acid, a natural compound found in many seeds and grains. While phytic acid isn't dangerous, eating too much can bind to minerals like calcium, iron, and zinc, making it harder for your body to absorb them. If chia seeds are your main source of fiber and you're eating them in large amounts every day, you might slowly rob your body of essential minerals without realizing it. Someone following a raw vegan diet might consume large amounts of chia pudding daily. Over time, they could start feeling fatigued, notice brittle nails, or even experience hair thinning, all signs of mineral deficiencies. What to do instead? Rotate your fiber sources. Include other seeds, fruits, and vegetables in your diet. And if you eat chia seeds daily, limit yourself to 1 to 2 tablespoons and soak them overnight. Soaking helps reduce phytic acid. So here's the big takeaway. Chia seeds can wreck your gut, spike your blood sugar, or block digestion when abused. They're not magic. Most people think, if a little is good, more must be better. But with chia seeds, more can mean bloating, blocked digestion, unstable blood sugar, even nutrient loss. In nutrition, balance isn't just key, it's the whole lock. To recap, here are the 4 warning signs you're overdoing chia seeds. 1. Digestive problems, bloating, gas, constipation. 2. Blood sugar instability, unexpected spikes or crashes. 3. Difficulty swallowing, a dangerous choking risk if eaten dry. 4th, nutrient absorption issues due to phytic acid. Chia seeds can still be part of a healthy diet, but the secret is moderation, preparation, and variety. Stick to 1 to 2 tablespoons a day, soak them before eating, and mix up your fiber sources. If you found this helpful, check out my other videos on superfoods. You'll learn the right way to use them without risking your health. And remember, health isn't about adding more and more miracle foods. It's about balance, smart choices, and listening to your body. Subscribe now, because one smart choice today can save you from big health problems tomorrow.